Any to Tasho delay and Chashi Casa Chashi or Chesa Chashi maybe in Mobu Mindus.
This is why the higher philosophical system, the Chitta Matra and the Madhyamika say that every phenomenon must have parts. There's nothing which is partless and all phenomena have parts.
That Chashi Yuna and Tituli Chungsho Maribe. So that you are
So then if everything has parts, don't we have to talk about the smallest particles?
So if
there's a small particle, its parts is smaller than the small particle.
That indigenous Danda Umabada, that Senzambada, the Samagita, Chachi, Dujin, Chame Meba, Kijishin, Duore.
So the Madhyamikas and the followers of the Madhyamika, they follow the Chitta Mantra, they all say that phenomena exist as there's nothing that exists as a part of phenomenon, and rather everything has parts.
Then Namjin Chungsho Zide, Chashi Che, Chashi Ni or
So even the particles that are considered to be the smallest particles, we can at least we can say that they at least consist of two parts.
Chashi Yel, the Injimiji Tumbutang, the Nin to so where I get the Mari, Zaveta Chashi Ni Yorba.
That doesn't mean that we physically have to take those two parts of the object apart. We don't need to do that, but we can say that the object in and of itself consists at least of two parts. And then each of those parts has again two parts. So then even a particle that we consider to be a very small particle has thousands of different particles.
So
So if we say such a small particle has thousands of parts, well in the end we have to say it's endless. There are endless particles. If we say there's a limit to how many parts an object has, then we end up having to say there's a parts particle.
Tamena until the change those. Tiwach tango, that Tiwach.
He usually has a special type of reasoning that he cites when we say that there is no limit to the parts that an object has.
That Dine Karesanata to Gentamo Ineta Karina Kanje, Dosineta, Novochigua, Novochitus, Junion Becabla, Dine do Stroy Cabla, Taka Rimgitos Laura, Rimgito Laura. Marita Jimgi Chugurwa, Kistangaina, Captain Zugaina, that to change my boy to gentile Jimgi Pugurwada.
So, actually, when we talk about small particles, so having an object here, so these objects are arranged in a gradual process, so they're gradually arranged next to one another.
That Jimgi Jogodi, and it till a level, till a Malevi Capchi, till a left side, till a Malevi Capchi, Tapahantini, Tachashima Bujilidura.
So therefore, you have if you have these particles that are arranged next to each other, then in one place there's a particle, but in that place there's no other particle, etc. So wherever you have the location of one particle, you don't have the location of another particle. They don't exist in the same place.
Isn't that Shuguchi?
Sorry. So if you were to insert a needle into a small particle, so then you have parts that are touched by the needle and parts that are not. So they're all in a different place.
Santa Shugudilla Kabji to Subaina, that to change Chasheta Mebaji, Namala Leb, Chimala Malib, Namala Leb, Chima Malevi, Chasheti, Tamebaji, Rimgi Togorata.
So if this piece of paper, if you were to insert a needle into this piece of paper, then if this piece of paper were to consist of endless particles or limitless particles, then you would be able to pierce through some particles but not through others.
Jizanta Chashi Tamebaina and Pagikun Leve Duzikin Ragumus.
So if there was limitless, therefore his reasoning is that if you were to pierce a needle through a paper and have limitless particles in there, you would never be able to really pierce the needle through the paper because there would always be particles that still have to be pierced through.
So therefore, if we
say that there are no partless particles, then this is the debate that arises, and we need to answer that particular debate. However, Abraham says he is not able to give an answer to that debate. So nonetheless, the higher philosophical systems, the Cittadella and Madhyamika, say that all phenomena have parts.
Dila dujane tagi tangele tagi dila drawa yana. Chizanta zugu drona rwa di chashi shidi mato mindu chiza ringbu di lui takwa res. Keje lui takwa chi legor.
So therefore, when taking this particular stick, so it's made up of 4 units. So when we analyze, when we investigate, this long stick is merely designated, it's merely appearing to the mind as such a stick. It's merely designated as being a long stick.
Dina shin diye chigbare zugu drona chashi tumni sum di tangsho di mato ringbu di lui takwa charu. Shugu ringbu chi yana di lui takwa charu rwa.
Likewise, with a piece of paper Krishna just held up, so this is made of other parts, and it's actually merely imputed. The mind just imputes on the basis of these different parts. It imputes the object. It designates the object.
Janta diye lui takwa re, di shugu ringbu diye lui takwa re, di enen da gig nabu ringbu diye lui takwa re ta.
So therefore, the paper is merely designated or labeled by the mind, and likewise is this plastic stick that is also merely labeled by the mind.
Lui takwa che ta ngone mare se chaduro diye ngone mare se.
So that means that since it's merely imputed, it means it does not exist in actuality. It's not really what it appears to be.
Dindi ina ta ngone chena ane kunjingi le kebar mindwa.
So in actuality, there's no difference between those two objects.
Niga lui takwa mato ngone chena yo marwa. Ngone chena mena ngone chena kunjingi le kebar mindwa skeje de le mu.
So since they're both merely imputed, there's no real difference between them. So then there's actually no difference. We can't say those are different objects.
Chesa ta ngone chena kebar mindwa asna me la to ru.
So can we really say there's no real difference between them? Can we really say those are not two different objects?
Chesa di la yon de jane ane samle na la yang jo chi khorani lui takwa re ine takshi gi thone mindawa. Di takshi mindawa, di takshi mindawa. Takshi gi thone mindawa tu se gi lenchi ta lepsi bachi.
So the answer that may arise in our mind would be that, so of course they're in actuality they're the same from the point of view of being merely designated, merely imputed, but their basis of imputation is different. So they're different objects on account of the fact that their basis of imputation differs.
Chisanta takshi thone kebar ji yoba ina ta logi tak mingjang ta yo cham rang chagmi do le tak ba keche ji yoba chila mingjam samba cham se di yang ta da rang chagmi do.
So if we say that the basis of imputation of those two objects is different, then there's no sense, there cannot be a sense that the object is merely imputed, is merely designated by independence on a term, in terms of independence on a word. There's a sense rather that it actually really exists.
Chisanta di la du zane yang jo chiwa tangirwa. Takshi di lui taba chamre mindawa che mindwa la na.
So then having said that, then another question arises. What about the basis of imputation? Is that not merely imputed? Does that not exist as a merely designated object?
Ya di khorangi takshi thone kebar yoba ta uchi.
And then this basis of designation is again merely designated independence on its own basis of designation.
O dinde chone thar takshi thardu de le de chame ji yena da. Khorani tabu de yor de ine ta de phage ne yore de dine yore se ji ni yoji chesa ji ra do.
So if we continue on and on and on, in the end if there was this particle, then we could say yes, those two objects, it comes down to this very small particle as like their basis of imputation or basis of imputation and so forth. But these two particles, by mere reason of the fact that they're in different places, we can say they're different.
Ta daji dinde chame de yo mare se ona ane halam ta le ki ta ba changjang de uji charo chig do da.
However, if these particles do not exist, well then we can only say that the phenomenon exists merely by way of appearance to the mind.
Chizan ti cheba ina ane dinde ki ta le ki ta ba cham se chi ki ta dila yong de an shine tes chamu de chage me do tem da.
So then in that way, saying that the object is merely imputed by the mind, then we finally get to something subtle, to a subtle idea.
Ta le charjul cham ina ta na so ba thong de sam le charjul cham ina ta le charjul la ane ta na ta ja le chul de thong ye de bon da thong ye ta chin thong de ma mo jor ta sam chi ba re du do as.
So if phenomena merely appear, they merely appear or merely exist because they appear to consciousness, then the variety of these different objects, in particular particular objects that exist and objects that do not exist, such as a snake that is wrongly perceived on the basis of a rope or the horns of a rabbit. Well, there's no difference between those objects and those objects that exist.
Tadi mintawa kariyo resiyade, tagi shogi chuzi sunyaki, ane tanyi chiji sumdengi tone, ane chigre maris iwadi chegwa resi di sungor.
So here the difference between them, as was mentioned briefly this morning, the difference between those objects is determined by way of the three characteristics of a phenomenon existing conventionally.
Janta tanyi chiji sumda